Alright, what is up guys? Today we are going to get started. I am going to be showing you how you can completely, and I mean completely, hide files or a folder. Let's say it's your school computer, you don't want them to see some stuff on there. You can completely hide it for good. So, here's what I mean. I'm just going to show you how it works. So for example, I have a folder right here. Within this folder, there's, this, which has nothing in it, and has this. So, in order for someone to unlock the folder, they have to enter a password. So, for this video, I type in my password, and the private folder comes up. So, just to show you, I've hidden items checked. So, this thing really is hidden. So, if I want to make any changes, or if I want to access this stuff, I can. Then once I'm done, click on this. Are you sure you want to lock the floor? Yes. Everything locks up. So this is almost like completely hidden because hidden items are checked and it's still not coming up. So it's really easy. So the only thing you need is access to this basement. It will be in the link in the description if you want it. Not as much as if you want it, but you're gonna need it. So first things first, you're gonna open a notepad or sublime text if you have that, or whatever you have. So first things first, I'm gonna go back here. We're gonna copy all of this. I'm gonna slap it into a notepad, but you're gonna want to make a few changes. So you can, here's the things you can't change. You can change the title, you can change the colors, like color C, color F, color D. You can change all that. You can change, like I said, the colors right here. One thing we can't change is this stuff right here because it'll completely mess everything up. You can also change the password, so if not %pass equals password, let it fail. So whatever you want your password to be, put it right here. So, let's just do it for the sake of tutorial. So now that we changed our password, we're going to save as. So we can save it as, tutorial file hider. But you want to have it .bat because that's the .batch file, because it's a batch file. Save type, all files, make sure it's not saved as a text or save it to your desktop. And you should see a file like this pop up. What you want to do, the only way this thing works is if you hide it inside of a folder. So when you try to run it on your desktop, it's very glitchy and doesn't work most of the time. So what you want to do, you want to have a folder like, for example, right here, apps and games. There's nothing in here, so you just want to bring it in here. So if you click on the file at the very start, it will automatically close out, or if it doesn't automatically close out, just enter your password and it's fine. Tutorial, and your private folder comes up. So here's the thing, I completely already did this already, so that's why there's already stuff in this folder. So I'm going to make a new folder and start clean. So let's just do new folder. I'm going to now drag this and put it in the new folder. So here's what it looks like, what it should look like for you guys. So you click on it, it cancels out, it creates that private folder. You put, whatever you want to put in the private folder, stuff you don't want people to see or know that you have, put it in the private folder, and you just lock the folder. So now no one can access it unless they have the password. So hidden items is checked on and it's still not popping up. The only way you can pull, like, pretty much what it's doing, it's hiding, it's embedding a folder with inside this folder, making it as one. And then when you enter the password, tutorial, it is stripping that file out from the folder. So it's like mushing them together and pulling them apart, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, it's super easy to do. Yeah, literally super easy. So that's been it. Yeah, pretty much.